Enhancing communication is vital for developing economies, and the African telecommunication market has undergone rapid developments. The center of global development is always shifting, and recently, there have been convincing signs that it is moving to Africa. Telecommunication is one of those interesting areas in Africa. Several African states have registered growth with thriving industries like manufacturing, renewable energy, and education, but telecom companies have become an integral part of the development of Africa. This has made telecom companies profitable and attractive to investors. With this in mind and a general fascination with the industry, we decided to look at the telecom operators of Africa to see who the top 16 biggest players in this space are. You won't believe what the last company is, so make sure you watch this video to the end. Hi everyone and welcome back to The New Tourist. Let's dive right in. Here are the top 16 richest telecom operators in Africa today. Number 16. Ooredoo, Algeria. Ooredoo, also known as Ooredoo Algeria, is the Algerian subsidiary of Ooredoo Group, a telecommunication company based in Doha in Qatar. The mobile operator offers a range of services to its Algerian customers and was originally part of the Nejma brand, which was commercially launched in 2004. Operating with three core values: caring, connecting, and challenging, Ooredoo Algeria rebranded in 2013 from Nejma and has seen meaningful growth since then. Due to the way the company has grown, Ooredoo has quickly become the leading digital mobile operator in Algeria, and it has one of the fastest networks available in the country. It has a customer base of 55 million and a yearly revenue of about 149 million. Number 15. Djezzy Algeria. It is Algeria's principal mobile network operator, with a market share of 65% and over 16.5 million subscribers. It has a network covering 90% of the population. The Algerian state took over its ownership in 2022. Previously, it was a subsidiary of the Egyptian company GlobaCom Holding, a subsidiary of M.T.N. Djezzy acquired Algeria's second GSM license on 11 July 2001 with a bid of 737 million and was officially launched on February 15, 2002. On August 2022, M.T.N sold the remaining 45.57% stake in the company to the National Investment Fund for 682 million, making it the sole owner of Djezzy. Its 3G services are across the country. Djezzy launched its 4G services and is committed to covering more than 50% of the population by 2022. Djezzy reported that its third quarter revenue was up 2.3% from the previous year at $270 million, which it said was helped by expansion in its customer base. Number 14. Tigo, Tanzania. Tigo is a telecommunication company in Tanzania. With over 13.5 million registered subscribers to their network, Tigo, directly and indirectly, employs over 300,000 Tanzanians, including an extended network of customer service representatives, mobile money merchants, sales agents, and distributors. Tigo is the biggest commercial brand of Millicom, an international company trading in 12 countries with commercial operations in Africa and Latin America and corporate offices in Europe and the USA. The company began operations in 1994 under the name Mobitel and launched Tanzania's first cellular analog service. The company has been at the forefront of innovation and has grown its customer base tremendously, with a yearly revenue of $366 million. Number 13. 9Mobile. As a leading telecommunications provider in Nigeria, 9Mobile offers a variety of services, including 4G data plans, voice calls, digital content, and business phone services. The company is interested in minimizing the environmental impact of its services, including designing eco-friendly SIM cards for mobile customers. 9Mobile has about 20 million subscribers and generates annual revenue of about $637 million. Besides providing fast and reliable service, 9Mobile distinguishes itself with its extensive corporate social efforts, which include combating malaria, promoting care for those with HIV, and contributing to Ebola containment efforts. Number 12. Telkom Group. This company generates annual revenue of 763 million and has a 16.1 million user base. It is one of the largest telecom service providers in South Africa. Telkom operates in more than 38 countries across Africa as well. The company offers a variety of internet services, from LTE to fiber, and it is 39% state-owned. Number 11. Maroc Telecom. Maroc Telecom is a telecommunication company that operates in Morocco. It was founded in 1998 and has a yearly revenue of around $997 million and a user base of about 73 million. The company is semi-public and is owned by the Moroccan government, which owns about 22%, and the Etisalat Group owns 53% of the company's shares. Other investors, like French multimedia firm Vivendi, own the rest. In 2016, Maroc Telecom introduced fiber optic cable internet into the country, with speeds up to 200 megabits per second. The company offers landline phone services, mobile, fiber internet, and 4G plus service options. Number 10. Vodafone Egypt. Vodafone Egypt is a telecommunications company that provides major phone and internet services in Egypt. It is a subsidiary of the British telecommunication company Vodafone and one of the first private companies to offer these services in the country. The firm won some of the government's earliest contracts when it began privatizing the country's communications infrastructure in the late 1990s and has since become one of the country's largest providers. Thanks to its early entry into the market and its ability to offer advanced phone services, Vodafone Egypt generates around $1 billion in annual revenue. Number 9. Etisalat Egypt. This is a telecommunication company that generates annual revenue of $1.1 billion and has a user base of 26.4 million. The firm offers mobile, fixed line, and internet services. This wing of the UAE's Etisalat Group provides services to the Egyptian population. It was the third mobile operator to enter Egypt's market and the first to offer integrated telecom services. It is also the first company to offer 3.5G and 4G services. Etisalat Egypt is a large, growing company. Hey, take a break. Go ahead and hit the like button, and then subscribe to this channel. That way, you'll be updated anytime we upload interesting videos such as this one. Let's continue. Number 8. GlobaCom. Though this is a new telecom company in Africa, its subscribers are increasing exponentially with annual revenue estimated to be around $1.17 billion. GlobaCom is currently considered one of Nigeria's largest telecommunication firms and is a member of Nigeria's Big Four together with M.T.N Nigeria, Airtel Nigeria, and 9Mobile. The company offers a vast range of products, from mobile data to cloud storage solutions. In fact, it's quickly become a respected operator due to its SIM cards. The cards are popular in Ghana, where the company operates as GlobaCom Mobile Ghana, and Nigeria, where it originated from. Number 7. Ethiopian Telecommunications Company. Ethio Telecom is one of the Ethiopian government's big 5 groups of state-owned corporations. This is a government-owned subsidiary that provides phone and internet services to all Ethiopians. The company generates annual revenues of $1.3 billion with over 56.2 million users. It's currently working on expanding telecommunications services to more Ethiopians. The goal of this effort is to make it easier and affordable for businesses, education, and other key economic activities throughout the country. Since 2012, Ethio Telecom has been embroiled in some controversies. Some say the company has been hindering freedom of speech in the country at the command of the Ethiopian government. Recently, the government has begun a bidding process to sell a 40% stake in Ethio Telecom. Many large-name potential investors have lined up, including Orange and Vodafone. Ethio Telecom offers mobile, fixed line, and broadband internet. Number 6. Safaricom. Safaricom has a large user base in Kenya. It enjoys a dominant market share in the country's telecommunications sector. Safaricom also provides a variety of services, including mobile payments, mobile devices, and broadband internet. In fact, Safaricom is Kenya's dominant telecom company, and it enjoys a dominant position in the country's telecommunications sector. It owns over 90% of the market share and has over 39 million subscribers and $2.4 billion in annual revenues. Safaricom is one of the largest and most important mobile phone and internet providers in Africa. The firm primarily focuses on providing telecommunications services in major cities including Nairobi, Mombasa, Eldoret, Nakuru, and Kisumu. Number 5. Etisalat U.A.E. This company is one of the fastest and most reliable telecommunications providers in Africa. It is ranked the 15th largest mobile network in the world with about 135 million subscribers. Etisalat U.A.E. operates in several Gulf nations, including Benin, Burkina Faso, Central African Republic, Egypt, and Gabon, as well as Ivory Coast and Niger. This enables the operator to generate up to $3 billion annually in revenue from the African countries they operate in. Number 4. Airtel. Airtel is one of the most popular networks in Africa, with a subscriber base of 227 million users. It is especially popular in Ghana and Nigeria, which account for 60 million of its clients. It also operates in Burkina Faso, Chad, the Republic of the Congo, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Kenya, Uganda, and others. Airtel Africa earns $3.5 billion in annual revenue, and it is a subsidiary of the Bharti Airtel company. Number 3. Vodacom. Vodacom is one of the largest telecommunications providers in Africa, with over 55 million customers. The company offers telecommunications services in 40 different countries. These include Nigeria, Mozambique, Zambia, Angola, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. The majority of South Africans subscribe to the service, with its headquarters located in the country. This accounts for 58% of the market share. Vodacom generates $5.4 billion in annual revenue. Number 2. M.T.N Group. This company offers telecommunications services in many countries around the world. M.T.N is well known for the high quality and affordability of its services. It was named the most admired African brand in 2015. The company has enjoyed great success in Nigeria, where it enjoys 35% of the market share. Its vast operations have enabled the company to make over $10.95 billion in revenue annually. This company has been successful because it has been able to stay competitive by earning revenue from 19 other African countries. It is loved for its top-quality yet affordable services. Number 1. Orange Egypt. It is the largest telecommunications company on the continent. This company generates $11 billion in annual revenue. The company has been responsible for installing underground telecommunications infrastructure throughout Egypt. It provides roaming services that allow customers to make calls from a variety of locations. Those were the 16 richest telecommunication companies in Africa. In today's increasingly connected world, telecommunications companies across Africa play a role beyond simply enabling phone calls. Mobile handsets are the primary route to internet access for the majority of Africans connected to the web, providing access to a growing number of services, from banking and insurance to commerce and transport, as well as increasing business connections and efficiencies, and creating job opportunities. As mobile phone penetration levels continue to rise across the continent, in part led by smartphone adoption and the introduction of 4G and 5G networks, the number of mobile subscribers continues to increase, particularly among young users. Like our video if you enjoyed it. Also, if you are really interested in knowing more about Africa, then subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we upload new educative content. See you in our next video.